Unveiling the world of construction, understanding crane assembly. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, crane assembly. This phrase is particularly relevant in the world of construction and engineering. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used in everyday language. Firstly, let's understand what a crane is. A crane is a large, powerful machine used in construction to lift and move heavy objects. Cranes are essential tools on many building sites, enabling workers to move materials that would be impossible to handle otherwise. Now, let's break down the word assembly. In general terms, assembly refers to the process of putting together various parts to make a complete unit or system. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle to create a whole picture. Bringing these two concepts together, crane assembly refers to the process of putting together the various components of a crane. This process is crucial because a crane must be correctly assembled to operate safely and effectively. It involves several steps, from laying the foundation to attaching the boom and installing the control systems. In this section, let's explore some real-life scenarios where crane assembly is crucial. For instance, in constructing skyscrapers, cranes are assembled to reach remarkable heights. We'll look at how crane assembly varies depending on the type of crane and the specific requirements of a construction project. Safety is paramount in crane assembly. We'll discuss the importance of following strict safety protocols and precision during the assembly process. Mistakes in assembling cranes can lead to severe accidents, emphasizing the need for skilled professionals and careful planning. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what crane assembly means and its importance in the construction world. Remember, every term, especially in technical fields, carries weight and significance. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.